Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about scam customers will cease to be a big drain on Doordash's finances once Klarna Partnership goes live. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, Jennifer Montgomery. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. Now, she is bringing up an interesting subject about scam customers that I've kind of anticipated, but I'm glad that she's talking about it because a lot of people see only negatives with the Klarna Doordash partnership, but there is a fair amount of positive with it. And honestly, I'm kind of here for that. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this email, how it actually is for Doordash customers and drivers and the platform itself and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Scam customers will cease to be as big of a drain on Doordash's finances once the Klarna partnership goes live. The Doordash Klarna partnership will significantly decrease the instances of scam customers getting their money back from Doordash. Whenever someone finances anything through third-party services like Klarna, Afterpay, etc., they're not the customer. The third-party payment service is. Some scam customers will still contact Doordash after a Klarna meal, claiming all the same fake issues with the meal and/or service. Some scam customers will bypass support with either or both Doordash or Klarna and contact their bank to initiate a chargeback instead. Either way, once the partnership goes live, fewer scam customers will drain from Doordash. That'll be Klarna's problem. You see, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like this is not really rewarding the right type of customers, but those same customers will be held accountable properly. Like, expecting Klarna to fall for the same crap that they're pulling on Doordash is not gonna work the same way. I wonder how that's gonna work. Like, I wonder what the conversation between a customer and a support agent will be once they start using it in that way. Like, are they gonna say you gotta take it up with Klarna, only for Klarna to say you gotta take it with Doordash and go into that perpetual loop only for nothing to happen in the long term? And I'll tell you what, Doordash getting scammed out of a meal is not really much of a thing to call the police about, but a debt collector trying to get their money back, you damn well know they're gonna be all over their asses about it. I wonder how many people are going to get caught for that and how many people are going to be held accountable properly. How many credit scores is this going to ruin? Now, again, if you guys want to hear more about some of the conversations we've had about the Doordash Klarna partnership, I've made videos about that already. Those videos will be in the description. Feel free to check that out. This is kind of a double-edged sword for drivers, though. On one hand, you have drivers that are going to be getting more orders with poor pay because they can't finance a tip. But on the other hand, those customers are not going to be a problem for much longer, and their quality of orders are only going to go up. I don't know if it's going to be the best result possible, but we'll see. Also, some people have speculated that this is how Doordash is going to fail because people are going to finance the tip and then Doordash is not going to be paid. Like Jennifer said, the Doordash partner Klarnaship works like this. Doordash gets paid right away and they square up with Klarna. And because of that, Doordash is going to maintain more of their money as opposed to dealing with the refunds. And I know that because that is one of the payment options for the Driven Wyld Build Your Own Delivery Service Provider course. If you guys are looking for a way to diversify your income and develop an exit strategy, Klarna is a payment option for you. One of the things I constantly say is to treat the gig economy like an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal, and not simply the goal, and to develop an exit strategy such as building your own delivery service provider. I've partnered with experienced professionals to create a step-by-step guide to create a six-figure earning business in as little as 90 days. This course will guide you to build your business foundation, source and structure your team, and have access to our top-of-the-line technology with seamless integration. You will also have access to high-level professional guidance to help you build your business foundation and support you as you grow your business to reach greater heights. Check the link in the description to sign up and get started on transforming how businesses serve serve customers and now gig workers get greater opportunities with you. We are excited and looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.